How to open up a piggy bank on Monopoly Go. The first things first is of course you'll have to download this game. And after downloading the game, you have to make sure that you're currently running with the updated version of Monopoly Go by going directly to Play Store and check if there is an update button that's going to be visible. Now to update it, just simply tap on update and it will automatically update by itself. Now, talking about the piggy bank, well, there is actually no actual button for you to be able to just immediately opening up that piggy bank from there. All you have to do is just playing along the game, upgrading things, upgrading buildings for Monopoly Go until you find all of the boards that you can go ahead and play. Now, piggy bank will actually come up or show up if you are on a specific spot called the heist option right here. Now, or should I say it's gonna be once in a blue moon. So you just have to play along the game, and play every day, and upgrade things, build things. Then that specific piggy bank will just show up with no time. So that's it for you to be able to open up or access up the piggy bank on Monopoly Go. Just play along the game, upgrade things, build things till you find two further cards, and it will just show up automatically by itself.